Hi, my name's Emily Stevenson. I'm from Beach Guardian and we're based in Padstow, Cornwall. We do lots of different things, but mainly we just do beach cleans, and everything that we find on the beach we'll take to our lab, we'll clean it, sort it out, analyse it for my research, and then use it for educational purposes, so taking it into the local schools and really building up that engagement and awareness of marine plastic pollution. The variety of plastics and litter that we find on the beach changes with the seasons. So in the summer period, top 5 things we find: plastic water bottles, most of which have already broken down into smaller pieces, which make it harder for us to remove them. Plastic cutlery, especially the little spoons that are used for ice creams. Clotted cream pots, that's a real big thing that we're finding. Lobster pot rubbers and cotton bud sticks. Whereas in the winter, we're finding things that may have washed in from further afar, maybe because it's more stormy seas. So that's when we get the fishing buoys that are coming in with loads of life attached to them, which would indicate that they've been in the ocean for a longer period of time. More plastic bottles that have come from further afield, and lots more food packaging, some with French writing on it, some with just a real variation of different countries coming into our coastline. We've recently been working with Crowdfunder, and they've been really supportive and great to help us with our Crowdfunder campaigns. We've done 2 so far, one to get general funding for the work that we're doing, because at the minute we're just running on passion, and another one to get some beach cleaning equipment to help all our volunteers when they're joining us on a beach and removing all the plastics. At Beach Guardian, we really want to work with businesses in Cornwall to help them with this problem. We love Cornwall, and I know that you do too. So Cornwall's really special to all of us, and there are so many things that you guys can do and we can help you. It might seem quite overwhelming to have to face the fact of plastic pollution and what you can do about it. So we'll be talking to you about some simple things that you can do to reduce your plastic production and usage. And also, join us on a beach clean. Send your staff down, volunteer with us, and you'll get something out of it, and we'll make a massive impact on our beaches here in Cornwall. We've had such a great response from businesses we've worked with so far. One of our biggest success stories comes from Nissan. They spent a few weeks with us at the start of the year, coming to look at the plastic pollution problem for themselves. And they were so shocked that they've now dedicated time for all of their staff to do volunteering all over the country, whether it's litter picking, beach cleaning, or anything else to benefit the communities. Closer to home, we've got loads of businesses in Cornwall that are already joining us and letting us help them with their plastic pollution problems. So Rick Stein has done amazing stuff with us so far, and also really small and independent stores as well, like Trevone Village Stores, Old McDonald's Farm, and other businesses joining us on the plastic-free status in Padstow and St Penryn.